Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss Kiki. My name is Dian Rahayuning Tias. I am from Informatics major and class 152B05. Today, I want to present English material about malicious program and hardware. The first material is malicious program. Where is malicious program? Malicious program, malware, or malicious program is an umbrella term that describes any malicious program or code that is harmful to system. This virus is like the human flu, it interferes with normal functioning. Jadi, virus malicious ini mirip dengan virus flu yang ada pada manusia. Virus ini dapat menyerang sistem komputer kita dan membuat fungsi dari komputer kita menjadi tidak optimal. What does malware do? Apa yang malware lakukan? Malware can infect networks and devices and is designed to harm those devices, networks, and their users in some way. In some cases, the effect malware has is relatively mild and benign, and in others it can be disastrous. Malware dapat menginfeksi jaringan dan perangkat komputer yang dirancang untuk membahayakan perangkat tersebut ya teman-teman. Types of malware atau tipe dari malware. The first is virus. Virus malware that attach to another program and when executed usually inadvertently by the user replicates itself by modifying other computer programs. The second is spyware. Is malware that secretly observes the computer user's activities without permission and reports it to the software's author. The third is Trojan, is one of the most dangerous malware types. It usually represents itself as something useful in order to trick you. Jadi, di antara ketiga tipe malware ini yang paling berbahaya adalah Trojan, karena dapat merusak dan melumpuhkan sistem, serta dapat mencuri seluruh data yang ada pada perangkat tersebut ya teman-teman. How to remove malware? Bagaimana cara meremove malware? As mentioned, many security software products are designed to detect and prevent malware as well as remove it from infected system. Malwarebytes is an example of an anti-malware tool that handles detection and removal of malware. Jadi, di slide ini aku memberikan salah satu contohnya dengan menggunakan tools Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes ini dapat mendeteksi dan menghapus malware. The second material is hardware. What is hardware? Hardware, a computer's hardware consists of its physical parts including its internal pieces and connected external device. Hardware components perform a computer tasks like calculating data, storing information, processing input, and providing output. Jadi, hardware itu seperti yang tertera pada PPT ini sangat mudah untuk dikenali, bahkan bisa kita raba dan kita lihat bentuknya. The function of hardware. Beberapa fungsi dari hardware. There are several hardware functions in computer system, namely, the first is receive input atau menerima input. The second is provide output atau memberikan output. The third is a place to store information and data. Yang ketiga adalah tempat untuk menyimpan informasi dan data. The fourth is processing information and data. Keempat adalah tempat untuk memproses informasi dan data. How is computer hardware defined? Every piece of computer hardware is a physical object. It can be made of different materials, have specific dimension or shape, and serve a variety of purposes. However, as long as it is tangible and a part of your computer system, it's considered hardware. There are several examples of internal hardware, namely, the first is motherboard, the second is CPU, the third is RAM, the fourth is HDD and SSD, the fifth is graphics card, and the sixth is power supply. And this is external hardware. There are several examples of external hardware, namely, the first is monitor, the second is keyboard, The third is mouse, the fourth is printer, scanner, headset, and last one is USB flash drive. Thank you for listening my presentation. I hope what I have shared will be beneficial for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.